Welcome to episode 4. Let us learn about using all the alerts and notifications. The Suzuki Connect app, with its security and safety alerts, will give you complete peace of mind and enough time to react at the right time. To manage your security and safety alerts, click on the menu button. Go to Manage Alerts. You can choose from a range of alert options such as Overspeeding, Low Fuel, Geofence, Trip Start, Trip End, Seatbelt Reminder, and AC Idling to get notified. You can go to the Alert History tab and check for additional alerts like Airbag Deployment, Intrusion, and Tow Away Detection. In cases of malfunction, you will be automatically notified via SMS and email. You will also get a call from Maruti Suzuki Customer Care. You can either set a threshold limit for overspeeding and low fuel, or set it as default. To do so, turn on the Overspeeding button. You will see a small arrow appearing, which will let you set the speed limit. Follow the same steps to set your low fuel limit as well. To check the alerts, go to the menu button and click on Alert History. It will show you all the alerts that went off in your app. The View History button on the bottom will show you the individual history of each alert in a time frame you choose. For instance, to know about your overspeeding history, tick on the Overspeeding alert box. Choose your start date and end date and click Submit. You can follow the same steps for other alerts too. You can also set up a geofencing alert for your vehicle. Tap on the Geofence button from the menu. Click on the Add Geofence button. It gives you an option to select either a circle or a polygon geofence. Choose one between the two, set the radius, and click Apply. In case you choose a polygon geofence, manually tap on the map to select the radius. And that's it. Now you will be notified anytime your car is outside from the selected radius. These features will not only help you to stay safe and secure, but it will also help you to stay in total control of your car. To know more about the Suzuki Connect, log on to www.marutisuzuki.com/Suzuki Connect.